at Walt Disney World unveils a whole new kind of charm in the Magic Kingdom. Crossing Seven Seas Lagoon en route to the entrance of the Magic Kingdom is an experience all its own, whether we ride the sleek monorail or cruise aboard a ferry steamboat. Here we pass by one of the world's most dramatic hotels, the Contemporary Resort. As we arrive at the Magic Kingdom, the first of the 6 happy lands we'll visit tonight is Main Street, USA. Main Street is always alive with the sights and sounds of small-town America as it was at the turn of the century. Main Street Plaza, across any bridge, dining is an adventure. Gateway to the happiest land of all is the picturesque Cinderella Castle that surely shows off the magic and the glamour found within its mighty walls. Passing through the foyer of the castle, the fairy tale story of Cinderella is told in these beautiful Italian cut glass, gold, and silver mosaic murals. In Fantasyland, our favorite Disney characters come alive against a background of pure enchantment. The future is only steps away in Tomorrowland, where everything is themed of things to come.
There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, and tomorrow's just a dream away. Dream, and that's the start. He follows his dream with mind and heart. When it becomes a reality, it's a dream come true for you and me. So there's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day. There's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow, just a dream away.
At Tomorrowland Terrace, the best in popular music is heard while enjoying our favorite beverages, or if the spirit moves us, we can join in the dancing. In the Sunshine Pavilion, birds sing and tikis chant in the charming show Tropical Serenade. really funny Haunted Mansion, home of 999 horrendous but humorous ghosts just dying to meet us. Liberty Hall rises above another land in another time. Here in Liberty Square by the Liberty Oak, we experience colonial America 200 years ago on the eve of independence, when our country's destiny first took shape. And now for our extra special conclusion to our evening at the Magic Kingdom, the electrical water pageant.